Hello! Hooray! Let the show begin. I feel ready. Hello! Hooray! Let the lights grow dim. I feel ready. Ready as this audience that's come in here to dream. Loving every second, every moment, every scream. I have been waiting so long to sing my song. I have. I've been waiting so long to sing my song, and I'm ready for the show to begin here. I got a little Alice Cooper there to begin our show this morning. It is Wednesday. What? It's middle of the week already? Wednesday, September 6th, 20 and the 23 on the Mayan calendar, 9:37 a.m. here Central Standard Time in the farm fields of Valparaiso, Indiana. Recap of what went on around here in the Fortress of Solitude studios yesterday. Sold 3 put contracts on UPS 162.50 strike. Pepsi's still going downtown to Chinatown, so we're like, we'll see. 172.50, 2 contracts on the Pepsi puts. United Health, we sold a call at 487.50 because it had bounced last week downtown. So I picked up 100 shares at 478 maybe. So that's doing pretty good. Canadian Solar, we put 4 put contracts on. Caterpillar was downtown to Chinatown, so we did sell a put contract at 277.50. Amazon, 2 contracts at 134. Johnson & Johnson, which is downtown to Chinatown today. So my call will be doing just fine, but that's not good for our stock, is it? So we have a call on J&J at 162.50 that expires next Friday. But 500 shares of 9 at 463. They were up a bit today. They're at 472. Hey, you've made a lot of money. You've made 9 cents per share, that is. Starbucks, I keep telling myself whenever it's down under 100, I'm going to be looking to make some moves on it. But so we did 3 contracts at $96 yesterday, 3 put contracts, and it's down, I believe, into the money now. So we'll be checking on that. Wynn Resorts, 3 contracts at $95. All told, we had $913 in premium. So today, though, not faring well because it's another red day. Just another red day out there. In fact, let's go to the big board and see what are we dealing with here. We've got S&P down about 30, Dow Jones 142 in the red, NASDAQ 121. Uncle Russ is down just point. It's almost 0.02% down, and oil up again, and it's at 86.71, just up 2 cents, but it's been on a run, hasn't it? So let's go over to the Robinhood board. You can see I'm checking on Zscaler again because it's down nearly 3% today. But let's take a look at our trades. Some doing well, some not. Overall, I was down yesterday in the account and today. So you can see we're at 1742, coming off of all-time high of 1755. If you go to the 1 week, you see we're down over 12 G's. And part of that, or a big reason of that, is the crumbling foundation of this portfolio with Pfizer, Walgreens, Bank of America, AT&T, Verizon, all great dividend payers, but they've been just getting beat down like a redheaded stepchild lately. So that has caused some havoc in the account here, but that's okay. We still have all the shares. AbbVie 150 calls, they're sitting pretty. That's because AbbVie's down. That's not always great, but we do like to see that our call is doing just fine. 7 contracts there. The 134 puts on Amazon, are they at 136? Yeah, they're at 136.33. I was thinking about selling another put today because they were in the 135, so we'll be keeping an eye on Amazon. And that was a short, just a little baby trade put on yesterday on the Amazon. You can see here just yesterday, expiring 3 days later, Friday, $58. Well, that's not a lot. $58 more than I had, so that'll buy me a glass of wine or a bottle of wine tonight over at Gamba Restaurant in Maryville, celebrating a friend's birthday. We'll be 6 sweethearts, sweetheart of people, me and Lady Godiva and 2 other couples. So we'll be celebrating a birthday at the Gamba. That's going to set me back a few bucks. So I do need to make some trades today to cover that. Amazon call, it's still under pressure because as we just saw Amazon at 136, but we'll just roll that on Friday. Caterpillar doing good. It looks like we had the 277.50 put sold yesterday, and right now Caterpillar is at 283.58, so doing pretty good there. CRISPR, $49 puts. We have 3 of those contracts, and CRISPR's at 50.82. When did I put that trade on? That was yesterday. Is that on the? Did I see that? Oh boy, you don't even have your own spreadsheet right. So, hold on. You telling me I put that trade on yesterday? Is that correct? There it is, $90. It's on your little cheat sheet. I don't know what happened between that. Let's see here. Where's CRISPR? We can't read your ant writing. It's on there, so we'll have to update that spreadsheet. Hey, that'll put me over 1,000, right? Yeah, that'll put me just over $1,000 for yesterday. So CRISPR put doing just fine. CRISPR call not doing as well, but we'll roll that. Gilead, is that on our list? Did you put that trade on yesterday also and didn't record it? What is happening? I just went bananas yesterday, it looks like. Let's check. Was that yesterday that I put Gilead on? I think it is. How dare you? And it's just choking on its own vomit. Edit that. Because Gilead Sciences is at 73.42, down nearly 2.5% today. And indeed, you did put that trade on yesterday, and apparently, like, when did you do that? Because it's not even on your little cheat sheet. Anyway, talking to myself, I'll have to update all of these because obviously I was going bananas yesterday. So that trade is in the dirt, but Gilead does have a dividend coming soon, so we'll just grab some more shares of that, grab the dividend, and then spin that wheel of fortune. Merck calls are good because Merck is not doing well today. Pepsi puts, they're treading water because Pepsi is down again today, just a little bit. Yeah, just down 0.17%, but they're at 173.86. So we're just hanging on for dear life on those. Palantir, we have 8 contracts at $14, and they're at what, 15 and change? 15.23. So that's doing well. Palantir. Starbucks, we're taking on the chin there. $96 puts, and Starbucks currently trading at 96.16. So we're still above, our head is still above water, but the pressure is on, and we'll just roll that unless they have a dividend coming up. And I'm looking over at SoFi also on the big board, looking at some put options there soon, probably today. And SoundHound, we got $2.50 calls. They're at about $2.50 right now. Let's see. $2.39. No, they're down 3% today. So might be looking at buying some more SoundHound. And let's see, that's this week. So we have these puts on, we had the puts on Block, aka Square, and they're $54 puts and currently trading at 58.37. So good there, even though they're down 0.5% today. Tesla call, it was just underwater yesterday, but Tesla's down today. Tesla's down 3.75% at 246.90. So might be an opportunity soon, as soon as today, to sell some really short dated puts on the Tesla. So if Tesla continues to go red through tomorrow and Friday, then we'll run that call out through the week and then wait for a green day to sell another. And a sister and a brother. So let's go else. Where else we got? We got I actually I made an impulsive buy yesterday. You see, everything's always a sell. I made an impulsive buy yesterday on United Airlines because they like shut down all their planes. I'm like, hey, let's just put a quick trade on and buy a put. So 46.50 put. Doesn't look like I'm going to be able to do anything with that. So let's see. Yeah. United Airlines is up today. They're at 49.09. So I don't have much value left in that dirty dog. That's why you don't buy options. You're either selling options or selling options. How many times I got to tell you that? Thank you for your advice there, Terry. So that's a dog. Our call on United Health doing good. UPS puts. Ooh, they look like they're getting beat down. Let's take a look. 162.21. So they're down over 1% today. I still have confidence that between tomorrow and Friday, UPS will still rally up above the 162.50. But right now, that thesis isn't holding up. Let's keep an eye on that. Okay, we got the VIX trade. This is all right. So the VIX is higher today, which makes sense. So we've got $14 puts on the VIX. And it's at 14.57, so that's fine there. Valero, we got Valero underwater, I'm sure, because oil's been just rocking and rolling. Yeah, Valero's at 133.23, and our calls are at 132. So we'll roll those again at the end of the week for some more dollar bills. And there was one more on the board there. Okay, yes, the WIN $95 puts must be under some pressure, so let's take a look. There, it's at 96.57. So that's still just fine, even though they're down 0.86% today. So that's why it's showing me in the red as far as the value of that trade. So keeping an eye on all of those. I got to update my spreadsheet, obviously. And let's see, right now, SoFi at 8.49. One of the boards I like to look at, I like to go over to the bar chart. And then I will go to the stocks and stock market overview, and then click on full list right there. And then I just kind of scroll through and see what's going on. Like Tesla down 9.68%, Nvidia down almost 15%. So it could be a good day for some puts on, or one, I would say, because that's a big number. One put on Nvidia. Apple down that's dollar bills, sorry. 3.79% on Tesla, and then red. 304 down on Nvidia. Apple down nearly 3%. What else is down big? Enbridge down because they just announced they're buying up another company. So that's actually on my list today to look at. Enbridge, Snowflake, Double Dog Dare You, Datadog, Apple, Chewy, Extreme, all of those on my short list. And then Zscaler, want to look at that again, put that on there. Zscaler, very good company. So we got a lot of work to do today, don't we? So thanks for tuning in. Make sure you are indeed a subscriber of the channel. Like this video, leave me a lovable comment, share this with one of your best friends, multiples of them, and I will see. Where'd our thing go? Where'd it go? There it is. I will see you in the next video.